So, welcome to Forkin Delicious. This is another one of our budget-friendly recipes, and we're on to desserts now. So, gold star recipe for dessert. And we're going to make cheesecake in a glass. We're also going to make it in a cup and a mug. All right. So, whichever way you want to make it, all right? Whichever makes it handy. So, I have some ginger nut biscuits here that I've ground down. I was trying to not have them too ground, but just a few little lumpy bits in there as well. Some butter melted. So I'm just going to mix that in here. And there we go. So that's going to be our little biscuit base for our cheesecake. So I'm going to show you here. So we've just put a little bit in here at the bottom. Lovely. And maybe a slightly bigger spoonful in here so we can fill the bottom. Be careful with the glass that you don't break it. Mug, well, you're not going to break that. Now, we have a small little bit kept there. We might do a layer in one of these. So, just going to take out this spoon out of the way. In here, I just have some cream cheese. We have the Crunchies for later on. I have some double cream here. It says 100 mils. This has some out of it, so I'm actually going to use it all. All right. And what we're looking to do is we're looking to whip this, and as we're whipping it, the cream will whip a bit as well, and this will get a bit thicker. So much so that we won't have to use any kind of like gelatin or setting agent in this. I was using double cream there, by the way, as well, just so you'll know that. And I have a little bit of toffee sauce here. You could use some of that, carnation caramel sauce, the one in the tin. You could use some of that if you want. This is going to be like my little sweetener for this, because this has, well, it doesn't have any sugar. So we're going to put some of this in. There we go. And then what we're looking to do is just add these crunchies. So one piece for the cheesecake, one piece for yourself, if you want. It'd be better if you put it all into the cheesecake, so that's what we're going to do. There we go. Just looking for the right knife. Now, let's sprinkle them in the bottom for a little surprise when you get to the bottom. Then throw that in here. And we're going to keep some to throw on the top. Now, I'm going to take a small little bit of this, pour it in here. That'll do. Small bit in here. There we go. Small bit in here. Take a little bit of this, just drop it in. We also have a small little bit, tiny little bit of this ginger nut, so we can put a little bit there that will drop into this. A little bit on top again, a bit of the crunchy. Now we have some more crunchy left here, and that's our cheesecake in a glass. A cup and a mug. If you leave them in the fridge to settle, they'll actually firm up nicely, but they'll still be kind of that very loose texture when you go to eat them, rather than if you'd use gelatin to set them or something, you know. If you like this, subscribe. We really appreciate it. If you like the video, that's great. And if you give us a thumbs up, and also give us a comment. And if you need us to make anything, just kind of say that to us in the comments and we'll try. Thank you. Bye-bye.